Just wanted one glass of lemonade, but Raccoon gave me a full shower. Should I take a bath now or get mad? My sandwich flew higher than my dreams. May it rest in pieces.
Turns out we invited the whole ant colony.
Retreat! Retreat!
My cookie, that squirrel is too fast!
And too stylish.
One swing, one watermelon, total destruction.
I didn't ask for a fruit shower.
Juice attack!
That box had perfect aim.
I just wanted a little honey.
Now you're the bee's dessert.
That escalated fast.
My tail is medium rare.
I didn't know this came with a water slide.
Our picnic just turned into a roller coaster.
I just wanted decoration. You became one.
Bigfoot, that was a warm-up throw.
Raccoon, did we just commit deforestation? I wanted bubbles, not bruises.
Food's flying first class today. I said a little, not a whole bottle. At least you won't burn.
Did we just get robbed by ants?
They even left crumbs as evidence.
This wasn't juice, it was a missile.
Mission, Juice-splosion complete.
Where's my ice cream?
Definitely not tea in my face.
Did you just throw a weapon at me?
That was my sandal.
There's a MO.
It's a mosquito.
Did you just throw a weapon at me?
That was my sandal.
That grape had a mind of its own.
I think I heard it scream.
Achoo! That sneeze has Wi-Fi range. This was not how I planned it.
Karma is wet.
I just wanted a sparkle.
You started a celebration. It's just a blanket.
Not anymore.
That's not a sandwich.
Froggy wants a snack too.
Why just us?
Even clouds love drama. My kite just nosedived into lunch. Fly responsibly.
Who is this handsome stranger? Are you stuck? I regret nothing.
That was supposed to be breakfast.
We just launched a snack satellite.